iMD's ROSSII, an FBI-certified fingerprint reader designed for high-security biometric applications, powered by MatriXcan technology. Let's get started with setup. Simply connect it through USB Type-C and power it on. For the best fingerprint recognition, please clean and dry your hands for optimal fingerprint scanning. Open ROSSII software and set up your preferences. Select a language. Adjust volume for clear voice guidance. Connect the device. Choose the scanning and capture mode. Click Start. Follow the voice guidance to complete the capture.
Please place your left 4 fingers.
Make sure to place the fingers correctly while touching the bezel.
Please remove your fingers.
Next, place both thumbs on the scanner.
Please place your 2 thumbs.
Wait for the confirmation message before removing them.
Please remove your fingers.
For rolling capture, click Roll and choose the right index finger. Apply, then click Start. Smoothly roll your index finger over the sensor from one side to the other.
Please roll your right index finger. Please remove your fingers.
You can also roll any other finger if needed for an accurate scan. The ROSSII fingerprint reader is designed for superior accuracy and efficiency. With FBI Appendix F, FAP 50 certification, voice-guided operation, USB Type-C connectivity, and a MatriXcan technical sensor, ROSSII ensures a seamless biometric experience. For more information, visit our website or contact our support team.